Okay, thank you very much, Belinda. For that. All right. Thank you for that. So finally, we will talk about how the programming language does the conversion to the computers. For example, there are certain programming languages that if you write the script, you need a compiler that would compile the script that you are written in human language into computer language before it runs it as a computer language. These ones have, some edge over the interpreted, where they are faster because it doesn't read it line by line in human language and convert it line by line. It converts the whole script into computer language, runs it, and then brings back the results in human language. That is what compiled languages look like. And the interpreted ones are the ones that there are no compilers. It directly compiles, the compilation is done within the programming language. So you don't have to have a separate script running for compilation. For example, in Python, if you type any command, it does the interpretation within Python and brings you the results. C++, for example, and C++, you have to compile these ones into machine-readable languages, run it before you bring it back into the human understanding. So that is how these ones work. And finally, we are going to be talking about why we are choosing Python programming. There are several programming languages out there, but we are choosing Python programming. For what reason? First of all, I would want to draw your attention to the reasons for choosing Python. It's object-oriented programming, where you have objects that have methods. These methods perform the actions that I'm talking about. So you look at it, for example, like a library. So there's like a huge library, and within that library, there are books. And these books, and the books, you can go to the chemistry section where you can see all the books on chemistry. You can go to physics, see all the books, music and stuff like that. So that is how object-oriented programming works. It modularizes the information such that if you pick an object within a certain class, that object actually has the attributes of that particular module that you're working on. However, these ones, we will talk about them later. So if you don't understand them, don't worry too much about it. We have Python is a scripted language. Like I said, it follows scripts. It's high level, and it's an interpreted language. And for usage, we use it for numerical calculations, scientific computations. There's deep and machine learning, signal processing, image and video processing, automation and control systems. We use it for data analysis and visualization, and even used for websites and software development. Now let's look at the pros and cons. So the pros are that it is free and open source. You don't pay for anything. Anything you want to use in Python, you don't have to pay for it. It's absolutely free. And secondly, it is easy to learn because Python has been made in such a way that for some other languages, you have to initialize a certain variable, that this variable has to be an integer. This variable has to be a float. This variable has to be a string. But in Python, the moment you assign a certain value to a variable, the variable automatically takes the form of the value assigned to it. So if you assign an integer to it, it becomes an integer variable. If you assign a string to it, it does the same. And the beautiful thing is that you can easily switch between the two as well. You can, with Python, the moment the value changes to a different data types, the variable automatically takes that form. So that is one thing about Python, and it's very easy to maintain. And there are vast libraries. Because it's open source, several people have built free modules that you can use within Python. So there are several modules you can install on your PC and use for free that you don't have to pay. There are certain other languages that you may have to pay for some of these libraries, but in Python, it's absolutely free. And there are numerous programming models. So besides the libraries, people have built codes that are free, that you can actually pick and then make edits and then use it to suit whatever it is that you want to do. So these are some of the things. However, it has a high compatibility issue. And also, it takes longer to execute, like I mentioned, not like the compiled languages. So on this note, I think, let me check. Yes, I'm within time. Our 30 minutes for theory aspect is done. We'll be going into the software installation. So I would, before we go into the software installations, I will talk about a few things that you would have to know. With regards to programming, usually you have to understand that it follows a set of rules. It is very important that in any programming language that you are learning, you understand the syntaxes as much as possible, so that even if you pick someone else's code, it will be easier for you to debug. But we'll go into all of that going forward with the as the course proceeds. So I'm going to be going into the okay, good. So I hope my screen can be seen.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so for those in
Yes.
Windows, I would give you a few minutes to get your computers ready so that we can check for the installation of these softwares if you already have them, or if we will need to install them for you. So we are going to go through that. First, you need to check if you have Python. So you go into your command prompts for Windows. For Linux, I think you can go into your terminals, and the only thing you need to do is just type Python, and you hit enter. If you have Python, you are going to see this. If you don't have Python, then you are going to have an error telling you that module cannot be found. So you can now quickly check if you have Python installed. If you don't have Python installed, this is what you do. You go into your browser, and then you type python.org. You hit enter. It will bring you to where you would have to download Python. Okay. Then you go to downloads. You choose the operating system you are looking for. Here, in my case, it's Windows. You hit Windows, and it brings you here. One thing you should know is that when you are going to install a programming language like Python, first off, make sure you look for stable releases, because these pre-releases are like the beta form. They might have bugs and errors. So it's important you go to where you have stable releases. And you can pick, for this work, you pick the Windows installer. Based on the architecture of your system, you can choose 32, 64, or whichever one is assigned to your system. Let me show you how you can find that. So you can go to just type about. Oh, okay, so then let's just go to settings then. So we go to settings. If you want to find out where your Windows system looks like, you go to settings and then you come to system. Then under system, you go to about. Okay, GBB, your hand is up. You can ask.
Sorry for interjection. Please, it looks like some of the people in the Python class are unable to join because the capacity is full. May I know if the organizers could do something, or if there's any, because they are complaining they are unable to join?
Irene, God bless.
Yeah. Ah, hmm. Don't worry, you can continue to teach. We would address those things behind the scene,
Okay,
okay?
okay. Thank you very
Yeah.
much. So here you can see how your system looks like. You will know what information you need to find out. So you know whether it's so. You can see mine is a 64-bit operating system. Don't mind the specs; they are low, but it works. This is my baby girl. It has been with me for quite a while. So so basically, mine is a 64-bit. So then in that case, now what I have to do is when I come here, I would download the 64-bit. And when you download the 64-bit, it will start the download here for you to see. Once the download is done, you run it. The reason I want to take you through this is that there are certain things you need to do to make sure that you have Python installed correctly. So since I already have Python installed, it is telling me to upgrade now. So in your case, you might see install and then customize. Pick the first one. If you pick the first one, usually you see recommended there as well. So let me see. No, let me cancel it. No, I don't want to upgrade my Python.
The install and customize installation. But then there are some two checkboxes under.
Very good. You see add Python to path, right?
Yes, please.
Yes, take that. That box is important. So for all those installing Python, make sure you take the add to path, because if you want to use certain softwares that rely on Python, they would have to pick the information from your environmental variables. And if Python is not added to path, it may not be able to find it. So tick that box.
And sir, please, I wanted to suggest once you don't intend to upgrade, could you allow somebody who is installing it fresh to share a screen so that we can follow up from there?
Okay, that's a very good idea. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And who is installing? You are installing now, right?
Yes, please.
Have you already gone beyond the point we are talking about?
No, I just take the
Good,
checkbox.
good. So share your screen.
So I think the host have to allow me.
Let me quickly give you the. Give me a moment. Um, you are. Can you speak?
Samson.
So Samson. Okay. So um, chat ask to start video. I don't know. Pin rename allow to record. Um, I don't think we can do it within the breakout room. It has to be done outside of the breakout room, unfortunately.
All right.
So maybe next time we'll look at.
He should try again. He should try again.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think this time it works.
okay, awesome.
Admin privileges. That's okay. No. Yes, so I think my screen can be seen now.
Yes, this is your screen. So you have to tick the box underneath that shows that yes, add to path. And then you go to install now. So whilst we wait to get this installed, once you have Python installed, now you might need an IDE or an IDLE. Let's get this done as well. Yeah, Peter.
Yes, Doc. Please, those of us using MacBook, are we staying alone?
So for me, okay, we can do that as well. You can share when he's done. You can share yours and we go through it so that everybody can have a feel of how it's done. But have you tried checking if you have Python installed? Peter?
Yes, sir. I don't think I've installed Python.
Okay. But I think for Linux, it already comes with Python installed. So
Oh,
all right.
okay.
So open your terminal and check if you can run Python. Just type Python and hit enter. Let's see what happens. For some of the view, Apple should have it installed beforehand.
All right. I think this way we are.
Yes. So disable path length limit.
Disable path length limit.
Yes. And then now you are done.
So I can close this interface.
Yes, you can close it. So once you've closed it, check if Python is installed. Now, Peter,
Hello.
have you
Hello.
come
Please,
again?
can you hear me?
Yes, Prince.
Please, sir, there are questions in the comment box. We want to know the command prompt that you use to check whether Python is installed on the PC already. That's what we are looking
Okay.
for, because today we don't know.
Okay. So let me start again. So for Windows, you look for command prompt. You just type in your search button command prompt. It will
So I
bring
think I
this
can be
up.
doing that here, right?
Yes, you can do that there. So let me use you as the proxy lecturer. Yes. So you open command prompt. Then you type Python. That's all.
In
That's the
lowercase.
command. Yes, lowercase. And then hit enter. That's it. So once you see this, you know there's Python installed. So in order to exit, you type EXIT, then open brackets and close brackets. That's it. You hit enter. Good. So that's basically a simple way to check if you have Python. Peter, are you still there?
I am here, sir.
Awesome. Were you able to check if Python is installed on your system?
I am not able to identify the command prompts that you are talking of in the Windows system.
No, you should have terminal. I think in a MacBook, it should be terminal.
Terminal.
I don't know.
Peter.
For those using MacBook, it's terminal, right?
Peter.
Please, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, press Command and space bar and then type terminal.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Command
space bar, terminal.
Oh, okay.
Once you see terminal, it pops up. Just press the enter key. It should open up,
Okay.
and then you can continue. Yeah, Johnson, you can continue.
All right.
Please,
Thank you. Thank you, God bless.
Please, Johnson, hold on. My own, I've seen when I was setting it up, I see modify setting. I have modify, repair, and uninstall. Which of them should I select?
It means you already have
downloading the
Python
line.
installed. You don't need to install again. You already have Python installed.
So
That is why initially I wanted everyone to check first if you have Python installed before you download Python.
When I check,
Did you go through the Mauli? Did you go through the same thing that is being shown on the screen now?
Yeah.
Dr. Johnson, so when I checked, I'm not seeing anything. I rather see my today's date, and I think my name at MacBook Air. That's all.
Yes. So, and I'm saying, have you tried running Python?
You mean downloading?
No. Just type Python within the terminal and hit enter.
Yeah, so I'm saying when I do that within the terminal,
Yep.
you mean small letters?
Yes, small letters, all of them.
It says command not found.
Good. So then it means that you have to install Python.
Okay.
Yeah. So you go to the same place, python.org.
I have done that and
Okay, good.
gone through the introduction and installation type, everything,
Okay.
but I got to a point where it was asking me to type something.
Okay, so what we can do is, can you share your screen so we go through it together?
Very well.
So Anne, I'll come to you. Anne, Emmanuel, I think you have Python installed, so you don't have a problem. But your version is quite old, 3.22. So I would suggest you download the latest version and then what do you call it? Get there. It's a 64-bit machine, so download the latest version. Emmanuel Kofi, yeah. Download the latest version and update it or upgrade it to the new one. All right, good.
Please, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
So you see I've gotten to installation type.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go to install.
Yeah. No, installation type is not showing. This will take, okay, click install to perform the action.
But it's requiring my password.
Yes, because it's going to make changes to your computer, so it has to require a password. The reason for that is people embed, viruses and all that within software. So unless you are sure, you don't allow it to install. That's why it asks for your password. Yeah.
Johnson, please, can you see what I shared on the page?
Let me check the chat.
Yeah, because you said I had that, but I'm not getting the result I had.
Okay. So Peter, I think you are good to go now.
So the page that has opened.
You just close it.
Okay.
Now go to your terminal and go to your terminal and try to check if Python is installed.
Command not found.
So that is the challenge. So this is what we are going to do. This is what I like about programming and all that. You are going to face these challenges, and when you learn from them, it makes you better. So now let's go to Google.
Hello, Doc.
Yes.
Please, I've opened the command prompt, so I want to be sure if I have the Python or not. So what should I type in there? Because I've
Python,
seen
that's
Microsoft Windows version 10.026 200 points. Microsoft Corporation, all rights reserved, and then the user, and then the administrator. That's what I've seen there. So does it mean the Python is installed?
Can you share what you are looking for?
Okay. I've joined with my phone, so I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay. So can you read what you are saying? I want to be sure.
I said when I open the command prompt, what is showing Microsoft Windows.
Oh, okay.
Then,
okay. So that is your That's the name of your PC. So just type Python, Python, and hit enter.
Okay.
Doc, this is what I'm seeing. Can I say?
So let me finish with Rebecca quickly, and I come to you. Okay.
I think I've been waiting for a while now.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
sorry.
Hello, John.
Rebecca, are you good?
John,
No.
give me one minute. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second. And please, I have shared a file at the chat. Those of us who are still waiting for Johnson to see our work, you can go through that particular file step by step to install the Python on your system. If you face a challenge, Johnson will come to your aid after he has seen others. Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless. So, Rebecca, how is it? Are you good? What did you see?
When I entered the Python, something has opened, Python 3.13, Python software found.
Yes. So you have it installed. Don't worry. You don't have to install Python again. You are done.
Okay.
You're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
All right. For the MacBook guys, unfortunately, I don't use MacBook, so you have to pardon me if you have challenges. But like I said, you don't have to know everything. You have to know where to find everything. So Peter, your challenge is that you have installed Python, but you're unable to see it within the terminal, right? Close the terminal and open it again. And type Python. Let's see what happens. Mauli, what is your challenge?
Tell it on a page. What I said, when I run the Python, I only see my username. I didn't see the feedback that you showed. So I took a screenshot and share on the page to see whether I'm the right path.
Okay, share what you saw, what you have. Let me see.
Again, okay. Did I share on the page or here?
Yeah, share your screen. Share your screen.
Okay.
This class is going to be very interactive. This is how the class is going to be going forward. Most of the thing we are going to do it hands-on. It's not going to be theory. So like I suggested, we should all have our computers ready. But going forward, today's installation, so it is free. Everybody can, come in and all that. But going forward, we will restrict it to only the 20 minutes for question and answers.
So who is going to allow me to share?
Can you copy the prompt and share it in the chat? All right, Peter.
Yes, sir.
I really want to. I want you to share your screen so we can use your site for the Mac users as well. Is it working now? So now open the terminal and then type Python.
That's what I've seen.
Enter. All right, type Python 3. Let me see. Enter. Yeah. So in your case, you have to indicate which Python type you are working with.
Oh, okay.
So for Mac users, you have to type Python 3 to get it done.
So I should exit?
Yeah, you can exit. Yes. Excellent. Hit enter. Good. Awesome.
In the chat. What I've seen is what
Mauli, are you in the command prompt?
Yes, that's what I've shared on the chat. It's actually in the chat.
Then you probably don't have Python installed. Have you installed Python?
When I was installing it, I saw a command that modify UV. That means I already have.
Yes, so you modify it, but make sure that you tick the box that says add to path. Because if you don't add to path, sometimes you won't see it here in the command prompt. That's why that command is important.
So I should select modify.
Yes, modify. Yes, VS Code is an ID, Ibrahim. We'll talk about that. All right. So now that that is done,
wait a minute. You say when I modify, I should go to. I only have documentation piece, tick, Python text. Then we have py launcher for all users. Those are the only two things I'm saying.
I may have to see your screen to get what you are saying.
Yes.
God bless if you can help him out to get his screen across. All right. So whilst you are waiting for Maoli, the next thing that we are going to look at, now that we've installed the program, you can either go through Python. Let me share my screen so that we can get what I'm trying to drive at. All right, so this is my screen, and now we have this. So what usually happens is that you can work from here like that, which sometimes, doesn't give you room to play around like you want. So basically, you can just do some basic arithmetic like 3 plus 4. You hit enter. Sorry, 3 plus 4. You hit enter, it gives you a certain result. But then again, working in this environment doesn't seem quite conducive. So you want an environment where certain things have already been done for you to make things easier for you. And that is what they call the integrated development environment or the integrated development learning environment. And these are what do you call it, softwares that have Python, interpreter installed in them, making it easier for you to play around. And for me, if you are a startup programmer with
God
Python,
bless, I'm still waiting.
Yeah, I'll come to you.
God bless.
So if you have Python installed, right, you need the IDE to make things easier for you. There is the VS Code, there's an Anaconda, there's a Jupyter Notebook. All these ones are there to help make your work easier. So for me, as a new programmer, if you want to enjoy programming, I would suggest you have Jupyter Notebook installed. Or if you are one that you want to use, you don't want to install Jupyter Notebook, you could use Google Colab. However, one thing about Google Colab is that after 12 hours, everything you've put in there will be deleted. So it is like an online version of Jupyter Notebook. But I would suggest you install Jupyter Notebook. So we are going to go through how to install Jupyter. If you have Anaconda, for those that already have Anaconda, you can just search Anaconda within your search button. If you have it installed, fine. If you don't, then now you need to install Jupyter Notebook. And how do we do that? All right, Ibrahim.
Yes, boss.
All right, Ibrahim.
Yeah, please, I was to ask that. So if I have a VS Code, then do I have to maybe install any other ones? Because I think I'm having a Python, in the VS Code.
Not at all. You don't need to install any other one. Just keep your VS Code. That is what you'll be working in. I also use VS Code anyway, so you don't need to install any other IDE.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Samson.
Yes, please, I want to find out, could PyCharm also work?
Yeah, PyCharm would work, but I don't know if PyCharm, I've not really used PyCharm to that extent, but does it have Jupyter within it?
That's I'm not
because
certain.
what I know is PyCharm is more Python oriented, but it doesn't have the modularization or sequential execution like we have within Jupyter Notebook. So I would suggest you install you have an IDE that can integrate Jupyter Notebook in it, like the VS Code, but you can directly also install Jupyter Notebook without installing any of these high-end IDEs.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
Good. So let me quickly go to the chat, then we go through how to install the IDE Jupyter Notebook.
Hello, sir.
All right.
Just one question. Is it okay to use Spider because I have Spider?
Yes, you have Spider. Well, you could use Spider as well. But Spider, is it within Anaconda?
I don't even know.
Check,
I
go to
think
your
so.
search button and check and look for Anaconda. If you have Anaconda, you don't need to install any other IDE because there's Jupyter within Anaconda.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now check
right.
if you have Anaconda installed. It's very important. The last time we tried it, Anaconda conflicts with other IDEs, especially when they want to use Jupyter. So if you already have Anaconda installed, maintain it. Don't try to change it to any other because of the conflicts. All right. So now we are going to go to how to install. Mauli.
Yes, it won't allow me to share my screen.
Okay,
Mauli, please just click on the share. I'm sure, unless maybe Johnson just goes off.
Let me stop sharing. Yeah.
Then click on the share.
Yes, can you see now?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, I have not seen it.
Yeah, I can see it from here. Okay, so what is your challenge, Mauli?
Yeah, this is the challenge. You see that when you said I should run the command, this is what I had. Now, so I mean, when I came to continue installation, you see I should modify. So these are the options I have.
Yep. So go to next. All right, so add Python to environmental variables. Very important. That one, yes. Then that's it. Then you install.
So I should uncheck the click shortcut.
No, leave it.
Okay.
Hey, he has not. Okay.
All right, so that's fine. Yes, so you are good. Now go back into the command prompt. You can close this, yeah. No, command prompt. Now type Python, let's see what happens. Okay. Yep. Yeah, good. All right, so you can exit now. You can stop sharing. Abdul.
Yes.
Your hand is up.
Please, I have an account with the Google Colab. Can I still use the Anaconda?
Oh, you can use Anaconda. Anaconda is local. It's on your PC, and a Colab is online. The reason why I don't want you to use Colab is that if you use Colab after every 12 hours, everything you put in there is deleted.
Don't mistakenly click install.
So you can
make I
easily.
May I cancel them? You know install.
Mauli, can you mute yourself, please?
Abi, you say. You say
Shambach.
Pupulampo. Yeah, please. I want to
mute yourself.
I want to share my screen to see how far I've gone with the installation.
Do you have a challenge?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. What's your challenge?
Okay, so let me share. Please, can you see?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yeah, so this way I've reached right now.
Yeah,
so
so click disable path length limit and then close. That's all. You have Python installed.
Okay. All right. Then
Ella.
Also I already have the Anaconda installed.
Good. So you don't need to do anything else. All right.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ella. Ella, your hand is up. All right, so whilst we wait for Ella to get sorted, now we are going to go into installing the Jupyter Notebook for those that don't have it. So before we do that, we always have to check
Hello.
first. Okay, yeah, hello, Ella.
I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
I already have Visual Studio and Python installed on my laptop. So does it mean that I still need to install the Anaconda or the Jupyter?
No, you don't need that. You don't
Oh,
need to do that. If you have either one of them installed, it's okay. You don't need so many of those.
okay.
All right, thank you. So now, first you need to check if we have Jupyter installed. And the only way you check is you just type Jupyter Notebook. Within the command prompt, you hit enter. If you have Jupyter installed, for those that don't have an IDE, okay, you don't have VS Code, you don't have Anaconda, you check if you have Jupyter installed by just typing Jupyter Notebook. So if you have it installed, it's going to open it up for you. Like we are seeing, it will open in a browser for you. For those that are interested to, you can install VS Code and all those ones, but you have to install their extensions as well, Python extensions for it. But in order to avoid all of that, you do you try with Jupyter Notebook like this, then it opens up everything for you. It takes some time. Let me check this.
Hello, sir. Please, you said we
Yeah.
should type Jupyter what?
Notebook.
Okay, just Jupyter Notebook.
Yes, it's JUPY.
Hello, Doc.
Yeah, hello.
Please, when I type the Jupyter Notebook, the response was that Jupyter is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Very good. So you don't have it installed.
Okay.
So we'll come to how to install that one as well. Okay.
Okay.
Please, should we leave a space between the Jupyter and the notebook, or it's
Yes.
continuous?
So this is how you are supposed to type it. This is how it looks like.
Yeah. Jupyter. Oh, okay.
All right. So if you don't get anything like what I have on the screen, then it means you don't have Jupyter installed. Okay. So what we are going to do now is we are going to install Jupyter. Okay. So first of all, let me exit here. Wait, let me just increase the size. So what it does is that it would show you whatever you have on your computer. Yeah. We'll come into how to run it and all that. So first of all, we exit, we shut down. Yeah. It's always good to shut down when you are done so that it doesn't delete some of the works that you've done. Usually, if you don't shut down, it doesn't automatically save for you. So you might lose some of your work. It's important to always shut down when you're done. So once you are done shutting down, you come here, Control-C, and it shuts down for you. So now we are going to look at how to install Jupyter Notebook. Belinda.
Yeah, sorry. You are helping people with MacBook and all that. So I'm a bit lost if we're still back to the general teaching, or maybe you are still with the Mac people.
No. So for now, I'm helping anyone that is facing challenges. So it could be Windows, it could be MacBook. And what we are doing now is we are doing installations, because from Wednesday, I am not going to look at anything that has to do with software installation anymore. We are just going to go to programming straight up. So I want to make sure everybody has the environment needed for the programming class. That's why we are going through this today.
Okay, so the Jupyter is for all of us.
For everybody else. Yes. Everybody.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, thank
That
you.
is if you don't have any other ID installed, like VS Code or like Anaconda, or there are quite a number of them. So if you don't have any of them installed, then you go through this process. All right, so for those that don't have Jupyter installed, now there is a command in Python, which is PIP. It is Python package installer, something like that. So what you do is you type PIP and then you type GUPYTR. That's all. And then you hit enter. If you don't have it installed, it is going to install it for you.
So this is to be done on our control panel, right?
You forgot
Sorry, yeah, in
the
the
install.
prompt.
You
Sorry.
forgot the install.
Pip
install,
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Yep. You hit enter. If it's already installed, it's going to tell you that you already have Jupyter installed. If you don't have it, it will install it for you.
Pip. What's pip install?
PIP. This is it.
Pip install Jupyter.
Yep.
I think in order to help, sometimes you can just type it in the chat what we're supposed to type in so that people will not be asking continuously.
All right, sure. So I've highlighted it on the screen though.
Doc, I typed it. It's telling me it's not recognized as an internal or external command.
Yes, so then it means that your Python has not been configured in the path, in the environmental variables. That is why it's important to always put add to path. Okay. So in your case, there's something that we have to do. So share your screen.
I'm not able to share it too. I'm using my phone.
Oh, okay. So what is going to happen is that do you have Python installed, Rebecca?
Yes, please.
Rebecca.
You check then you have it. Good.
Rebecca, use your
Yes.
camera. Use your camera so that you can just show point your camera to your screen so that we can see. I think you can do that.
All right. So I can, unfortunately, I'm not able to see it. It's a bit blurry.
Excuse me.
But Rebecca, you don't have Python installed, I think.
Oh.
Because when you type Python and hit enter, nothing happens. Yeah, so Rebecca, you need to download Python and install it first.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I've typed the pip install Python Jupyter. So in the command prompt and it's running. I want to show I want to share the screen to see what is going on.
It's okay as long as it's running. You are installing it. You don't have to worry. You're good.
Okay. As we were talking, I think I've installed it. I was downloading it. So.
Oh, okay. So if after installing, close the command prompt. So wait, calm down. Make sure you click on Add Python to Path. The checkbox down there. Yes, very important. Yes.
Okay.
Then now install now. Install now.
Okay.
Yep, you are good. So when you are done, you can now open the command prompt and install the Jupyter notebook.
Okay.
All right, Peter.
Dog.
Yes. Guys, we're all students. Call me Johnson. The doc is making me feel like it's making my head swell. Though. I already have a big head, so
I know. After I think that I may be in the same issue or challenge with regards to not doing the add path. I don't know if I can share my screen.
Okay. So go ahead. Let's see. But if you have Python installed and pip is not working, then it means that. So no, in your case, try pip3, PIP3. Let me see.
Okay.
Space install. No, the 3 has to be together. Yes, yeah. Install Jupyter. Let me see. Yep. So
okay,
in MacBook, make sure you add 3 to it. If it's Python, you do it Python 3. If it's pip, you do it pip 3. Okay.
Very well.
All right, good. Okay, Ben says you are now downloading the Python. Okay. So just a question on Wednesday, the requirements are we have to have Python and Jupyter working. Yes. In order to benefit from the class, you can be a spectator, but I won't advise. With programming, you learn from practicing. It's very important.
Hello.
Yeah, Peter, your hand is up.
Yeah, I want to share my screen. I think I also have the same situation. I'm unable to install Jupyter.
Share your screen. Let me see. So, Anne, you have to have Python installed and Jupyter Notebook working. You could have maybe any ID, Visual Studio, and all that. Oh, you are within Python. You can't install within. So what you have to do is get out of Python. So type exit.
Okay.
With a closing and opening and closing bracket together. No. Opening and closing.
Okay. Like this?
Yep, and hit enter. Now, your screen just dropped, so I want to know. So now that you are done, now type the Python install Jupyter now. It should work for you. All right, Rebecca, your hand is up. Yes, Rebecca, you have it installed. So type exit, EXIT, opening and closing bracket. No. Exit first. No. Opening. No. Anyway, you've exited. It's fine. So now you can install Jupyter by typing pip install Jupyter.
Yeah, hello sir. I want to ask how long does it take?
Kindly hold on. Let me finish with Okay, so Rebecca, you are good. Now I can leave you. All right. So
yeah.
Let me get Evans. I'll come to each and every one. So kindly hold on for me. Evans, Odro.
Yeah, hello, sir. Concerning the Jupyter installation, after it has finished, the notice is a new release of PIP is available.
Yeah, Pip, don't worry about it. It happens all the time. It's just a formality. Just leave it. You don't need to do anything else. So try running Jupyter Notebook. Okay, let me see if it's going to pop up first, so we know that you have properly installed Jupyter. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, Pupulampo.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask that if you have the Anaconda already installed, are you supposed to launch the Jupyter Notebook in it, or if you do the
yes,
install
within Anaconda? Just launch it within Anaconda. No need to install Jupyter. If you install Jupyter, it might not work properly because of Anaconda.
Oh wow.
Anaconda is very troublesome like that.
I didn't launch it, so I followed the pip installer.
So you notice that even after installing pip with Jupyter Notebook, if you have Anaconda installed, Jupyter will still not work. So you have to go into Anaconda to get it. Yeah.
So how can I cancel the pip install?
Don't worry, let it finish everything. It won't affect your system in any way. It's fine.
Okay, so it should finish before I launched in the Jupyter notebook in Anaconda.
Yes. All
Okay.
right. Another hand is up. There was a Gabriel. Oh, okay. Rebecca, your hand is still up. Oh, okay. So now, I believe.
Yeah. Hi. I also had sir. I also had the same problem with the update. So I wanted after the installation of the Jupyter, I had this notice that a new version is in, so I should update it.
Oh, it's not necessary. Don't worry about it. Just leave it.
All right. Thank you.
Awesome. All right. So I believe most of us should be sorted out at this point, if I'm correct.
Yeah, please. Sorry. I want to confirm. I want to confirm something. Can I share my screen?
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay.
Today is for installation, so we want to solve all the problems that will arise from there. The ones that is done, we are not going there again.
So this is the pip install that I have. So it doesn't mean that I'm done with the installation.
Yeah, you are done with the installation.
But if I come up here, there is it seems like the red line here has not finished.
No, it was a warning. It started downloading and your internet probably dropped. So it started it again. So you notice that the go up. You see downloading Jupyter Lab 453 was what stopped. But then it downloaded it started again down there. So it would install for you. You don't have a problem. It happens when your internet drops.
Okay, so now what's the next step from here?
So type Jupyter Notebook. Let me see what happens.
Jupyter. No. Okay. Please out.
Yeah, that's all. So you should all try it. Launch your Jupyter Notebooks for those that installed it. Yep. So you are good.
Okay, and you were saying that since I already have my Anaconda there, I have
Once
to
your
go back
Jupyter
to
is running, it's fine. You don't worry yourself again. Just use the command prompt Jupyter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. So can everyone try to launch their various notebooks and see if it works? If you have Visual Studio, right, open it and create a new file, but make sure you end the file name with, let me type it in the chat. So for those that are using Visual Studio and other IDEs, create a new file, and then the file name should be, I don't know, you can choose any name, maybe. Give me a second.
John.
Please. Yeah, give me a sec.
John. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are not done with the installation.
Okay, sure.
So if we could finish that before you start with the files creation.
Okay, all right. Yeah, Ben, unfortunately, your internet is quite slow, eh? All right, when you are done, we'll discuss it. All right, Abdul, your hand was up.
Yes, I'm trying to download this in the Jupyter, and this thing has finished running. So I have, they sent notice, a new release of PIPs is available, and under it they said to update.
You don't need to do that. It doesn't matter. Forget about it.
Okay, so meaning my
release every time.
Jupyter
So don't worry
notebook
about
has already been downloaded. Does it mean that my Jupyter notebook has already been downloaded?
Yes. So now run Jupyter Notebook. Everyone should try it within their terminals. Okay, those that have installed Jupyter, just type Jupyter Notebook as I have put in the chat.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, like that.
I'm sharing my screen so you can see.
What about those of us who have not been able to install Jupyter?
What challenge are you having?
I sent my screenshot in the chat box. Mine
The
said
screenshot.
syntax something something.
Can you share your screen, please?
Invalid syntax.
Then it
I'm
means
joining
you
from
typed
my
something
phone.
wrong. Can I see
Can
your
you
screen then?
can you see my screen?
Okay, I just opened again, so maybe I can just
Belinda, I told you to type exit. You were
I
inside
did.
Python, and did you press enter?
Yes.
So you should be out of Python. Then you can now type the pip
Yeah.
install.
So I was
So
out of
let,
Python, but I have to come back to Python, right?
No, you don't need to. Just at the prompt. So get out of here.
exit. Type
Oh,
exit.
okay. Okay, so where do I go to type the pip?
Oh,
So let me show you all something, right? Let's understand something briefly. Let me close this, and then first I'm going to take you all through the process. If you are doing something, kindly stop and then pay attention to this, please. It's very important. So for those that are not using any IDE and are going to be using the terminal or the command prompt to do things, you find command prompt, you open it. So if you see something like this, okay, this is telling you that
we are not seeing your screen, John.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't sharing my screen. All right, let me quickly do that. I thought I was sharing my screen. All right, so for those, where is the, all right, yeah. So we've already gone through this part, so there's no need for us to go through it again. We can close Python now and then focus on the programming. Now, you come here, you type command prompt. For Windows and for MacBook users, you can open your terminal, okay? And if you open your terminal, when you see anything like this, okay, in this form, this is telling you that now you are in the base directory. That is where you are working from. Other people call it the working directory. That is where you are working from, okay? So what you do is, if you type Python, for example, like this, and hit enter, now you are not within the base directory. You are now within Python. So if you want to make changes to anything within this part, it's not going to work because you are within Python, okay? So you have to exit Python first using this command. Now that you're in your base directory or a working directory, what you can do now is you can now type the pip install. So if you want to make any installation, you don't make it within Python, the Python environment. You make it within your base working directory. So that's what you do. So we are going to be installing a lot of packages as well. We are going to install NumPy, Pandas, all those ones will be installed whilst you go. And these ones are heavy. So I'll give you the command, and then you do them on your own before we start the class for next time. So I'll give you all those commands and all the packages that we need to install. So that's what you need to understand, okay? For MacBook users, it's not pip, it's pip3, from what I gather with Peter. So this is what you need to know. I hope that is clear.
Yes.
So for example, if you want to run Jupyter Notebook, this is where you run it from. You don't run it within Python, the Python environment. So for example, I want to run Jupyter. I make sure I have this prompt here, looking like this, showing that I'm in my base working directory, right? Then I type Jupyter Notebook and I hit enter. So if you run this and it opens an interface in the browser for you, it means your Jupyter is installed. You don't have to do anything else. Yes, so we have this. All right, Mohammed Zakaria, your hand is up.
Yes, thank you so much for the opportunity. I have also followed the instructions to install Jupyter, and I don't know if I'm allowed to share my screen so that you can better appreciate the issue I'm being faced with.
Okay. Let me see your screen there.
Okay. So this is currently where I am. My issue is those in the red issues. It appears the network wasn't so stable here.
Is it just me? But wait, Mohammed, your screen is blank. Is it just me? Can anyone else see Mohammed's screen?
We can't see. It's just the mouse that we are seeing, or the pointers.
Okay.
Mohammed, your screen is blank. So if you can stop sharing.
Okay, so let me stop and then start all over again. I don't know if you can see it now.
It pops up and it goes back, but I can see, Mohammed, I think you have Jupyter installed because I could see Jupyter in the browser.
Yes,
so
please. But some, okay, thank you so much.
You are good. Don't worry. For now, if there's any other challenge, we'll deal with it later. Okay, so you are good. All right, Mauli.
Hello.
Yeah, Mauli, your hand is up here.
Oh, that is Mauli. So not
a couple of
Mauli
Maulis from
Sosu. Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Mauli Sosu, sorry.
Yeah, so mine says Jupyter is not an external command.
Do you have Python installed?
Yes, I have Python installed.
Okay, so now the problem with you now is you have a path problem. So that's what we are going to do now. Share your screen and let me take you through it.
Okay.
So for those that have Python installed and you still see Jupyter not a command, right? Or pip not a command, we are going to do something. Yes, good. So kindly follow what we are doing here because this is going to solve your problem as well. So now, Mauli, minimize the screen. Okay, let's first check if Python is installed. You have a VS Code, so you don't even have to worry about these things. So now, wait, let me see. Python is installed. So exit, let me see what happens. No, it has to be together. Okay, it's fine. And now type pip install Jupyter Notebook. Let me see. Sorry, Jupyter. No. All right. So Jupyter is installed. Now type Jupyter Notebook. No, that's why, yeah. Good. So it means that when you were installing Python, you didn't add Python to path. So go to your search button down there and then type Python in there.
Where?
Search down there on the bottom left-hand side. Python. Good. So now, no. Close it. Go back and type Python. Okay, now go to open file location.
On where?
On the screen that popped up, right? The modal that popped up, you see open, run as administrator. There's open file location there. Can you see it?
Okay.
Yes. Click on that. Good. Yeah. So this is where your Python is. So click on the bar where the name bar. No, come down. Mauli, can you hear me?
Hello, please. Can you use Python? No, you, please.
PyCharm on this one?
No. I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, you can use PyCharm, but like I said, with Jupyter Notebook, it is easier to do quite a number of things for beginners. So I would rather you go with Jupyter, because Jupyter, what happens is that you can run the codes line by line, and you can edit codes. If you make a mistake, you can
Please,
go back.
the problem is I'm supposed to join Python and R at the same time. So I'm unfortunately on the R one, machine learning with R. So please, I hope that you have the YouTube channel of this so that I can go through and follow aspects.
Yes, we should have it. We should have it.
I was speaking with us that from now on, they will not combine the R and the Python session at the same day. They will give a different day.
Okay, good. So now let's go back to Mauli. Mauli, we've not solved your problem yet. Mauli, can you share your screen? Mauli Sosu? Maybe Mauli is having a... Yes, but Mauli, in your case, right, like I said, we would have to do something because you didn't add Python to path. This is why you face this challenge. So we have to add the path of Python to the environmental variable. So that's what I wanted to take you through. But I don't know if your line dropped. Is Mauli still here? Okay, whilst we wait for Mauli, Sam Ninth.
Please let me ask this one. On my command prompt, I typed.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Kindly wait. If you want to speak, kindly lift your hand so I called you. I think Sam Ninth has been waiting, so let me get Sam Ninth first.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. So I entered the prompt. I entered the command pip install Jupyter in my command prompt, and then I think it's been loading since. I don't know if I made a mistake or because it's been loading ever since I entered that command.
It's been loading.
I don't know if it's downloading or I don't know, but I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay, share your screen. Is this your screen?
Yeah.
Sam Ninth. And scroll down. Yes, it's working. It is installing. So the reason why it is taking long is because your internet is probably a bit bad.
Oh, okay.
So it is still installing. It will take time, depending on how fast your internet is. Okay.
Oh, okay. I thought it wasn't using internet, so I thought it was like maybe a problem or something from my end.
Yeah, you need internet to install Jupyter.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. All right.
Hello. I'm back. I think my line dropped.
Yes, Mauli, we have been waiting for you. So I'll come to Abdul, Mauli, and then Wilberforce. Let me deal with Mauli Sosu first. We were working with him before his line dropped. All right, Mauli, share your screen.
Yeah, I've shared it now.
All right. So Mauli, come to where it's written on the address bar. You see the address bar? Come down.
Yeah.
Yes. So click on, come to the edge. After Python 3.3. No, after Python 3.3.
Yeah.
At the edge. You can just click at the edge. Yes, click on it. Then copy this line.
Okay.
Okay. Now go back to the search at the left hand side. Yes, bottom left hand side. Yes. Now type environmental. Yes. You can see edit the system environment variables. Click that one.
Yes.
Yes, that one. So go to environment variables. Yes. Click on it. Now click on path. You see path? No. Under user variables for Lenovo. No, not systems variables. No. Yeah. Come down. It's path. No, come down. Path.
Yeah.
Click on it. Edit. So you see, you don't have. There is Python. You already have Python installed. So Python is here. So if it's not able to pick it, do you have Jupyter Notebook installed?
Yes, I installed that.
And do you have Anaconda installed?
No, I don't have Anaconda.
Okay, so edit the first line. Okay, edit the first line. Yes. And then paste what we copied here.
Okay.
Then okay. Now you can okay this one as well. All right, so you can okay this. Now, let's go back to the command prompt. Open a new one, close this one. Now, type the Jupyter notebook. Let me see what happens. It's still not recognized. How did you install Python? Did you install it from the, I think, Windows Market or Windows something?
No, I downloaded and installed.
So go back to the environment variables. Let me see. I think I saw you put Jupyter somewhere.
Yes, that was initially when I was trying to run it.
Yes, remove it from there.
Okay, so I think
delete it.
Where is it? Is it this one? I think it's this one.
Yes, delete it. All right. So now go back to your command prompt. Don't close this first. Wait. Go back to command prompt. Try it again. Let me see what. All right. Maoli, so let's do this, okay? Let's uninstall Python and install it again properly.
Okay. From the program file, right?
Yes. Uninstall. Yeah. So search for Python and uninstall Python. So whilst we are waiting for, you have several of them installed. Uninstall all of them.
Okay.
Because you have some from Microsoft Corporation, uninstall all of them. All right, Rebecca, what is your challenge again? Rebecca. Some hands I have. Okay, I think Abdul.
Yes.
Abdul. Yeah, sure. What's your challenge, Abdul?
Please, can I share my screen?
What can you tell me what the challenge is first?
Okay. After installing running the what do you call it? Install Jupyter. You said we should then type Jupyter notebook. And when I did that, it has redirected me to a it finished running, then it redirected me to my Chrome.
Yes. So it works.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So it has redirected me to Chrome, where I have contacts, documents, download, and so on.
Yes. So you are good. That's a Jupyter notebook.
Okay.
So I'll show you how to. I'll show you how to create documents within it. I wanted to do this today, but I don't know. We'll quickly go through it first. Okay. So kindly wait. I think your work is done. And
thank you.
We have Wilberforce.
Yes.
What's your challenge?
Yeah, so I'm having the same problem as William, or is it William or something?
Maoli.
Maoli. I think I downloaded this and Python long time ago, and I downloaded another one, so it's interfering. So I'm not able to install the Jupyter.
So you have to, like I showed my Mauli, you have to uninstall the old ones and then install a new one. That's all. It solves the
Yes.
problem.
Yeah.
And when you install it, make sure you
Yes.
include add to path to it. Okay, it should work now.
Okay. All right.
All right.
So
Mauli,
I'm uninstalling all the Pythons, the Python.
I would suggest to prevent conflict with versions, right? Usually the issue here is conflict version. You might have installed different types from different sources. So there's a conflict. That's why you are seeing this. So the best approach is to uninstall all the Python you have installed and install a new one. That's all.
Okay.
All right. So Augustine, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm with you. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, my own is when you are downloading the Python, I shared it at the page there, the WeChat page there. It has a lot of different ones. So I think you have to address the one we should download for those who are using Windows so that we can download the 8 well. I shared it there.
Augustine.
Hello, yeah.
I think I shared how to download it, where to download, and what to download. I even shared how to find out how your operating system is, which is it a 64 or 32-bit, the configuration of your operating system. I did all of that.
Yeah,
So,
that one has been done. But when you open the page, it shows Windows installer, Windows embedded package. Then
I said
Windows
installer. I was very specific. Windows installer.
64 bits. Okay, okay. So
No,
not the ARM 64.
No, you just go
Okay,
to 64 or 32 based on your system configuration. That's all.
okay. So you don't select the ARM 64. Yeah, okay. There's another one which is ARM 64. That's why I'm stressing on that.
Okay.
Okay. And also, I've done that one. I've downloaded it, but in the command prompt, I typed pip install Jupyter, and it is still installing. It has not done, and I don't know why it's still continuing. Or I should have used pip install Jupyter Notebook.
No. Pip install Jupyter is the right command. Your internet is slow. That's why it has got nothing to do with
Went down like this. Oh.
Unfortunately.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
All right, you're welcome.
All right. Yeah. Waiting. Yeah.
Mida, your hand is up.
Hi, yeah.
All right.
Please, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so I tried installing the Jupyter Notebook. I'm using a Mac. Can I share my screen so where
Go
I've
ahead.
got it? Or um, oh,
Please, as she is sharing, all of us in the chat, there's a QR code for attendance. Kindly scan and enter your details for attendance, please. Kindly do that for us. Thank you.
sorry, can you see my screen?
I don't think I can see it. Can anyone else see her screen? Yeah, I think it's sharing now. Take your time. Yeah, good. We are good.
Okay.
Yep.
This is what I see.
Your internet dropped. Try it again.
Okay.
Scroll down. Yeah, it's your internet. Scroll down and then punch in the command again. Pip install Jupyter.
Okay. I can't find my cursor in.
Yeah, pip 3. Go down. Yeah, that's the last line. Just click on it. You don't have to see it. Just type. You'll be good.
Okay.
PIP3 install Jupyter. Yep. So it's going to continue from where it ended.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Any?
Hello, Johnson.
Yeah.
Yes, I have raised a hand.
Okay.
Can you hear me,
Mauli.
Johnson?
Let me get Mauli briefly, and then I'll come to you. Andy, right?
Okay.
Yes, yes, please. When I installed the Jupyter Jupyter Python, what I got to a point where he asked me Python SES -mpip install upgrade pips.
No, it's not necessary.
Then I typed Jupyter Notebook, and it took me to somewhere.
Yes.
And I don't know whether.
Yeah, that is where you are supposed to be. Don't worry, you are not lost. We will find you. Okay, just stay there and wait for us. We are coming. All right, Andy. Before Mauli, someone was speaking. Can you quickly get to that? So
Johnson, Benjamin, I was the one speaking. Ben.
Okay, Ben. Yeah, Ben. Sure.
Oh, I want to share my screen so that you can help, because I just finished down the Python.
Okay. And have you installed Jupyter Notebook?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to put a command in there. In the chat, right?
Okay.
Can you enlarge this? Let me see what is happening here.
Okay, hold on.
No. I want to see the command prompt. You are showing me your Zoom room.
Can you see it now?
Yes, this is the one I want you to enlarge. Yes, make it bigger. Or scroll down to the bottom. Let me see what is happening there. Yes, type yes.
So yes?
Yes, Y, and then hit enter. No, Y. Yeah. Y. You should have added minus Y. Looks like you would go through this. So just keep hitting Y. No. Just Y is okay. And hit enter. So anytime you see, just keep hitting enter, and then we'll be doing it for you. We'll install it for you. Okay. Ben, which version of Python did you download?
Hold on.
Ben, I'm of the view you didn't download the Python that I asked you to. You downloaded Python Manager. That is not what I asked you to download, Ben. Anyway, close this. Go into your command prompt. Type Python, let me see. Enter. Yeah, you didn't download the one I asked you to. Close this page. All right, close this as well, and then go to python.org. Close this, go into your browser and go to python.org. Where is python.org? I see python.org. You've already opened it. Go there. It's the second tab on the from the right. Ben, go to downloads, Ben. go to Windows. Scroll down to Windows. Then now there are Python releases. Pick the 64-bit installer. 64-bit installer. Then you then go up. Yes, that's the one. Now kindly run this one. All right. All right. So Ben, I'm done. So now just follow through with the same thing we've done before, and you should be okay. All right. Augustine, I see your question. It's a system configuration. There are AMD machines, ARMs. There are the Intel and all those things. Don't worry about that for now. The only problem now is you want to learn programming. Okay, so just install the one that has your architecture, either 64 or 32, and you are good to go. All right. So then you can stop sharing now. Now let's go to our time is almost up. Okay, so let me quickly take us through the how to. Ben, you can stop sharing.
Hello, please, as Ben is stopping the sharing, please kindly scan the attendance list and enter your details. Very important for us. We beg you. Kindly go to the chat section, scan the attendance list, please.
Hello, please, the attendance list is not there.
Oh, you scroll to the top, you will see it. Go to the chat and scroll. Scroll to the top.
I have scrolled.
Okay, I'll reshare it again.
Kindly share it again. All right, let's quickly do this before time is almost up. Okay.
Hello, please, just small one. My own is done. So what do I do again? You said it's done.
Sir, just wait. Okay, if it's done, just wait. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. So let me share my screen briefly, and then we'll quickly create one Python document. So for those that are using VS Code, I'll come to you. For those that are not, let me quickly share my screen. So I think you should see something like this. For those that are using Jupyter Notebook, okay, you should all see something like this. So this is where all your files are. So you can choose to open a folder in the desktop. You can choose to do it in your documents, your downloads, but I would suggest you do it on the desktop. So these are files that are on your computer. So you go to desktop, double click on it. It opens this for you. So what you do is we can create a new folder, okay? So you come to this side, you see new here, you go down to new folder, and then you can rename it to Python 2020-2026 or something. All right, then you hit enter. So now that you have created this folder, everything we are going to do will be within this folder. So keep that in mind. So you should all create a folder where you want to work. I would suggest you do it on the desktop, and then you do it within Python, name it this way so that we can all use the same file names going forward. So desktop, and then desktop. So you go, the first thing you see here is all these. Then you go to desktop, right? We've already created a file called Python 2026. You go inside. Now, you have to create a new file. So you go there and then you create notebook like this. If you create a notebook, it will open a new page like this for you. And this is the environment where we are going to be working most of the time. It's taking a while, so kindly hold on when we get that done. Yes, so you should see something like this. Now you can rename it by clicking on where the untitled is, and let's call it maybe, what's the name? Let's do it. Usually the first thing you do is hello world. So let's call it hello world _ hello world, yeah, like that. Then you rename it. So in order to check if your Jupyter Notebook is working, let's first print a greeting. So I want to greet everybody. So I go print. Don't worry about this, just follow it to the latter. We will explain what each part is doing carefully. So print hello.
Hello, John.
Yeah.
Yeah, please, I've missed track with how to create the folder from the beginning. Can you go over?
All right, I'll come back to it. I'll come back. So
Okay.
let me finish this and then I'll go back again through the process. So now you see this. You can either run this, you can either run from using this button, or you can use Shift Enter. But I'll just suggest you run from here. So when you click this, this is what happens. It prints out hello world for you. So it's just saying hello everyone. You can try an arithmetic, say 2 plus 4 minus 4. You run, you see the answer here. So this is how Jupyter Notebook works. And the reason why I wanted us to use Jupyter instead of PyCharm is that now, if you want to make a change to the code up here, you can easily make that change. Okay, I can change this one to hello world, all right? Easily, but you can't do that in PyCharm. So what happens is that you are not able to correct mistakes that you've made. That is why I'm suggesting we do this. And the way you can run it line by line also makes it easier for you to understand. So you run this and it changes to what you want it to do. So this is basically what the Jupyter Notebook does, okay? So this is where we are going to do most of our work. All right, so I'll go over it one more time and then we can work with those that are in VS Code, okay? So now let's do this. So here, what is happening?
Please, yeah. I think mine is still, I don't know, it's still installing. I don't know.
Yeah, Rebecca, I'll come to that. Let me do all of this. And then for those that are done, can leave the class because the class is over. And then those that have challenges, I stay with them and correct it. Okay, that's why I'm going this way. So we don't have to make people that are done also wait for everybody else. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So that is why I'll come to you. All right. So basically, this is how it's going to look. Okay. So you go to your home. When you open for those that are having challenges, when you open your Jupyter Notebook, you should see something like this. The words might be different, but it is similar. You just double click on desktop. Okay. If you double click on desktop, it would open your desktop for you. Now you can create a folder where you put all the work. And for me, I'm suggesting you call it Python-2026 so you can see everything we do or save everything in there. You go to new, then you choose new folder here. Okay. And with the new folder, you rename it to what you want. Okay. It will give you something. You name it what you want like that. And then once you are done, you enter that folder. But we have already done that, so we don't need this. So we just go into our folder, which we have created, which is Python 2026. And then you will see your files in here. So we created one file today, which is hello world. And that file is, when you double click it, it will open that file for you here. So this is where we are going to do most of our playing and all that, right? So that is that for those that are on Jupyter Notebook. All right, so we are going to go to VS Code. So if you come back to your desktop, you should see the folder you created. So in my case, this is the folder, Python 2026, that I created within the Jupyter Notebook. It creates it here for me to see. Okay. So now, for those that are using VS Code, you can create a folder like that. Okay, let's call it just to differentiate between these two. Okay, you can just call it VS Code Python 2026. All right, you hit enter. Now you open your VS Code, run VS Code here like that. Okay. So if you open VS Code, you should see something like this. I'll come to the questions. I want to just take everyone through it. And once you are done, you can leave because the class is over. All right. So okay. There's something keeps coming in the way. So let me just close them. Sorry, give me a moment. Let me close these ones. All right. So this is what you should see. You should see something like welcome or something like this when you open your VS Code. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to navigate into the folder where you want to work from. Okay. So what you do is you hit this line here and you go to File. And from File, you come down to Open Folder. Okay. So you open a folder and it's going to bring the pop-up screen of your directories. All right. So in our case, we are at you're on our desktop. Oh, this is my OneDrive. Okay, so desktop. And then I think what we created was VS Code 2026, right? Yes, so this VS Code. So you click this and then you select that folder. Now, whatever you do is saved. Whatever work you do is saved within that folder. Okay, it makes the file system very effective for you to work with. So you can just create a new file. Okay, in your case, you click here and then you name it Hello World. That's what we called it, all right? But don't forget, it's important because you're using VS Code, you have to tell VS Code that this code you are going to run is a Jupyter notebook. Okay, so you type .ipynb. Okay, this is the extension for Jupyter notebook. So when you hit it, now it's going to open a new interface for you for your Jupyter notebook. For those that are using VS Code, okay, for those that are using Anaconda, you just run Anaconda and then you open your Jupyter notebook and you can follow like the way I did it with the other ones. All right, so it will take some time, detect kernel, and do when everything else is done, you can now go into working. So this is for those that are running Jupyter notebook. I hope to this point it's quite clear. So you can just create a new code line. So what we did was we said print, what's the name again? We said hello everyone, like that, and then you run. So you can choose either to run or let me just hide this. Let me hide this here. Or you can just run this. So you just hit. First, I think you need to select. Okay, let's select a kernel. We choose a Python kernel. For those that are running VS Code, the reason why I didn't want us to use this is because of some of these things. But once you do it, you only do it once. Once you are done, you don't have to do it again. Okay. So you hit Python environment. It detects all. So I have several environments, virtual environments. So I just choose the global one. The one you see here, global environment. That's the one you are supposed to choose. You choose that one. And you are good to go. Yeah, so it's already done. So yeah, now I have Python 3. Yeah, so I have it here. So you should see your Python version here. Mine is 3.10. You can see 3.11, 3.12, 3.14 based on your version. So once you have this, you just click here and it runs for you. I have certain things running, so my system is quite slow. So pardon me. Once you run this, you're going to see the results and you are good to go. Okay. So for those that are using VS Code, this is your approach. And for those that are using the Jupyter Notebook, I've already shared the approach with you. So now we are going to talk about the challenges. What are the challenges again? Let me stop sharing. Pardon me. All right, let's start with the first name I see. I see Rebecca. Rebecca, what is your challenge? Yes, it's installing. So it's taking time because your internet is slow. Unfortunately, yeah. So if you have your VPN on, I'll suggest you put it off. Usually that's also a challenge. If you have your VPN on it, it delays a lot. Put off your VPN and be quicker, faster.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So who is next? Abdul.
Yes. Please, that is in the desktop is not among the folders.
Okay, so which let me see. What names do you have there? Let me share your screen.
Please. Okay. Please, I'm coming.
Mohammed Zakaria. Yes.
These are the thing I have. The names the folders I have. Contacts, documents, download, and so on.
Yes. So you don't have desktop. So you can save your files within documents. Okay. To double click on documents. Okay. Now go to new. Yes, new folder. And choose the name you want. You hit enter. Now double click on that one on Python 26. Yes, and then go to new notebook, Python 3 notebook. Yeah, that one, Python 3, that one, yes. Click on it. So it's open for you. This is what you're going to see. This is where we are going to work. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now this is where you can play. Try the print command, the 3+1, 3 minus 1. Just play around it. You're going to start the main program going forward there.
Okay.
Right. So you are good.
Thank you.
Next is Wilberforce. How you can stop sharing there? Wilberforce.
Okay.
Wilberforce, can you hear me?
So I downloaded the setup file and I want to install it, but I can see install now and then customize installation. So how do I go about it?
I think we went through all of that. You
Yes,
see,
but
there are some buttons down there. Add to path, right?
yes, add Python executive to path. Yes.
Yes. So tick that box.
Okay.
Then go to install now.
Install now. Okay.
All right. Okay. Next.
Okay, it's loading.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. All right, Rebecca.
So I wanted to ask a question about the Jupyter. Do I go to the browser and download the Jupyter?
Okay, so with the Jupyter, you go to your command prompt.
Okay.
And within the command prompt, you type pip install Jupyter. We've gone through all of that.
Okay.
Yes, and that's it. It will install for you. Once it's done, if you want to run Jupyter Notebook, just type Jupyter Notebook, and that's it. You're going to open for it. All right, so Popolampo, your turn.
Yeah, so I've run my Jupyter in the Anaconda, and to create the desktop, where to create the file. Yeah, so I want to share. There's an untitled IP1NB in the Anaconda. I don't know whether it has already recreated the file by itself.
They did open the browser for you?
Yes, it has opened the browser.
Okay, okay. So what you are saying, probably it's let me share your screen, let me see.
Okay.
All right, so a quick one. The class is over. At this point, I'm just helping with the installation. So if what we are doing here, you realize it's not too important to you, you can leave. But if you want to learn and you want to stay as well, we can do that. So today I want to make sure we solve all the installation problems, and then going forward, I'm not going to talk about installation. So yeah, for those that are done, you can leave if you want to. Okay.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. So you have it.
So I have it down here.
Yes, because when I said that is where you saved it. I remember I told you if you want to save it on your desktop, double click on desktop, create a folder on your desktop and save it there.
Okay,
so double click on desktop.
So should I delete this one?
I can show you where that is. So if you want, right, just open any folder. Open a file explorer. No, a file explorer outside of this. Yes, any file explorer. Now scroll down. Scroll down. No, on the left-hand side, the left panel. Scroll down. So go to this PC.
Okay.
No, local disk. You go to users.
Okay.
And then go to your name. That's SPL. That one. Yep.
Yeah.
So scroll down. You should see your notebook here. Scroll down.
Scroll down. Okay.
You see that this is where you saved it. But I would rather you save it on your desktop.
On it. Okay.
So that's why I wanted you to go. So now I'll go back to Jupyter Notebook.
Here?
Yes. So go to desktop, double click on desktop.
Okay.
No, double click on it. No, desktop.
No, I'm
click on desktop. Yes.
Okay.
Now go to new. New folder.
Okay.
Then name the folder you want. Give it a name you want. Enter.
It's giving me
It means you already have that folder there.
Okay, I think because earlier on I told you I already have the Anaconda and I used the command prompt. Okay.
Cancel it. Close this. So you should see Python 2026 already there. You can see it.
Yeah. So it's like there are two. There's this one and there's another one down there.
So use the one at the top. The name is shorter. Double click on it. Okay. No, don't tick. Double click. Yes.
Okay.
So here you see you've already created a file in there.
Oh.
This is a file that you have created. Okay. Yeah. So you can open this. Double click on it. You can choose the name. So it's asking you which environment to use. Is it Python, Anaconda, or which one? So you see, you already have Anaconda installed. That's why I'm saying if you have Anaconda installed, do not worry yourself about doing all these things. Installing the Jupyter from the other side. Yeah.
Oh, I've because I was following. I didn't know earlier, so I've already.
I think I mentioned that if you have Anaconda, don't install Jupyter again. It creates a lot of conflicts. So now click on the down button here.
Where?
The down button, where the Python name is. You see Python? Okay. No, down. Yeah, drop down in there. Okay. So it's saying there, choose this Python. Yeah, choose that one.
Okay.
Yes. And then select. No. Good. So now try running something within this file and see what happens. Maybe just 3+2 or anything, yeah. And then run it using the run button at the top. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So you are good.
Okay.
So if you want to change the name, go to where you see untitled at the top. Click on it.
Untitled. Okay, I'm coming. Okay.
So now rename it to the name you want. All right. So I think you are done. All right. So let me get to the next person.
So now please, sorry. So now it won't conflict with the earlier one that
you have to go through the process again all the time. If you see that, just choose Anaconda and then go with it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Next, I think I have Muriel. Muriel, right? Muriel, are you here?
Hello.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, for me, I'm using the Visual Studio.
Okay.
And I want you to help me with the part that you were talking about, the Hello World.
I am unable to see your screen properly from this angle. So go to your right hand side. You see file, right? Go to file.
Yeah, file.
Yes, click on file.
Okay.
And then open folder. So which folder? You should see open folder. Yeah. Which folder are you working from? So select that folder you want to work from. And when you are done,
can I do it from my DXE? Because my DXE is okay.
It's fine. It's up to you.
Okay. So I create a new folder. And then okay.
All right. So now that you are within that folder, you are going to create a new file. Okay. And with the new file, you see up there, yeah. The first one is a new file. Yes, that one. Yes. Click on it.
Okay.
And then type the name you want.
May I ask a question after, please?
Then if you finish writing the name, hit dot IPYNB. Yes.
IPY
NB.
PY
N as in nose. Yeah, B. No, not M. N. Oh, I can't see properly.
Okay.
Is it N or M?
Yeah.
Then hit enter.
N. Can you see
Yes,
it
good.
now?
Yes, I can see it now. So he hit enter. And it would open this file for you.
Okay.
So yeah, so now within this file, right, you need to pick the kernel you want to work with. So let me see the right-hand side of your screen. Go to the right-hand side of it. If you see kernel, something called, yes, select kernel, click on that.
Okay.
Have you clicked on it? Yes, then choose Python environment.
The first one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So now click on the code, the plus code. You should see a button plus code. Yes, that one. Click on it.
Okay.
Now try running anything, maybe 1 + 2 to whatever. Anything. Let's see if it's going to work. And then click on the run buttons there. No, not that one. The one just beside the where you typed. There's the run there.
This one?
On the left-hand side, Come to the left-hand side. Yes, click that one.
Oh, okay.
If it runs and it gives you results, then you're good to go. And it did not run. Wait. It's taking time. Just give it some time.
Okay.
Yes. So you are good. You are good to go.
So that's all right.
You didn't give any answer. I should give a response.
Should I? Okay, let me click it again.
No response.
No.
It means you don't. Do you have Python installed?
Yeah, I have Python.
It shows Python 3. Okay, so I think there's a challenge. Come to the left-hand side. Far left. Okay. You should see extensions. Something that scroll down. No, come down. Down. Where you see something like boxes. Click on that one. Yes,
This
that
one.
one. Yes. Now type Jupyter here, and then install or anything that has to do with Jupyter here. Then you should be good to go. That is the reason why I would rather you install, a notebook. Very easy, straight to the point. You don't have to go through all the stress. So you have to install Jupyter now. You see Jupyter is not really easy. Yes, that is why. So install that one, and then you'll be
So I
good to
should
go.
install the first one.
No, look for the right one. This one's name is what? Something. Yes, this is the right one. Yes. If you see the Jupyter logo and it says
So the
Microsoft.
first one.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So come to the left-hand side. Yes, it's installed. All right, you don't have a problem. All right, so then in that case, go back to your file, hello dot. It's up there. This one is also installed, so you are good. Come back, let me see where you're having a challenge. No, the tabs, the file you just created, it's at the name is at the top. Click on it.
This one?
Yes, open that one. Double click on it.
Okay.
Yes, so I don't know why it is not running. So come to the left-hand side, Menjade. Run it again. No, run it again. Let me see what is happening. Click on it, nothing happens. That's interesting. Go to the right-hand side. Let me see what is happening. Go to the right. Yes, it says plain text. You chose plain text. Click on where it's written plain text. And then go and choose Python. Come down to Python. Yes, click on Python. Yes, now run it again.
Okay, it's slow.
Yeah, system is slow. What did we see?
You say running cells with Python.
Install it. Yeah, install. Whatever you see, just install it. Okay. All right. I'm sure once you are done, you should be good to go. Make sure when you click on create, you don't change anything else. Sorry, on the code button, you don't change anything else. Because if it's a plain text, it's not going to run.
Oh,
you understand? All right, good. So I'm done with you. There was a lady. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Wilberforce here.
I'm still here.
Yeah, Wilberforce.
Yeah.
There was a lady. Let me quickly get to her first, and I'll come to you, Wilberforce. Give me a moment. All right. Is it Nanaba?
Yes, please. It was me.
Okay,
Hi,
okay. So go ahead. Let me hear you.
No, I was struggling with one thing, and then I did what you said, and I reached this place. I'm not sure if I am on the right track. I just want to show you.
Okay, kindly go ahead and show me.
Okay, thank you. I was here before, and then now I go on this page. Can you
I can't
see
see
my
your
screen?
screen. If you are sharing your screen, I can't see it.
Oh, let me see. Also share system.
Wilberforce, Mauli, Gabriel, I'll
Maybe
see all of you soon, okay? Give me a moment.
maybe you can maybe you can go to the others first because I think I figured it out. I went to the page you were before. So I think
Okay.
I can do it. Thank you so much though for
All right,
responding.
okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, Wilberforce.
Yes. So I've been able to open the Python, the Jupyter, but I've created a file at the desktop and I've named the folder Python 2026. So what do I do next?
So
Can I share?
we have gone through all of that. I feel like so what I'm going to do now is
Yes,
I'll
I'm a
start.
little bit behind. Yeah.
You have to make sure first of all, make sure you follow me so that I don't have to repeat the same thing. It becomes
Okay.
a bit challenging. All right, so you share your screen one last time.
Please,
Okay.
a quick one. Before you leave, kindly scan the code, attendance code in the chat and enter your details, please. We beg you.
So I will have the next 20 minutes. I've done over my time. So let's quickly get this sorted and we are going to be good. All right.
Okay.
So Wilberforce, what's your challenge?
Yeah, so I've created a desktop and then the Python 2026, and then I don't know where to go next.
Kindly go to new on the right hand side. Yes.
Okay.
Click on it. Then
On
Python 3.
3.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So it will open a new
And
file
then,
for you. No, don't worry, it will open by itself.
okay.
All right. So you are here. So you can run anything. Just type maybe 1 + 3, 1 + 2, anything.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you go to the play button at the top. You see it like
Run.
hit it. Yes.
Okay. All right.
You are good. So you don't have any problem. So you see untitled, right? Click on it.
Okay.
Then you can now rename it to the name you want. That's all. All right. So the next should be Mauli. Mauli Smart.
Yes.
Yeah. What's your challenge?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, share your screen.
Yes, can I share my screen?
It's still loading. Yes, I can see your screen, Mauli.
This is what.
Scroll down to the bottom, the last line. I want to see the last line. Scroll down, that's the last line. It is still installing.
That's the last one.
It's not done, it's still installing. And this is your Jupyter notebook. You've opened it.
Yes.
It didn't open any browser for you.
I'm taking a close, so I don't know where to find.
Don't you have any browser opened? Yes, open your Chrome. Let me see. I can see Jupyter there. Your Chrome browser. Okay, so this is what you did wrong. Close this. And then come back to the command prompt.
I can close them.
No, just come back to the command prompt.
Okay, here.
All right, so scroll up. Let me show you. You have to copy something. Okay, so now you see HTTP something. No, scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Okay, so let me see. No, come down. I saw HTTP somewhere. Come down. down, down. Keep going. Go down, down. Let me see. I want to see the HTTP. Yep. Keep going. Yeah. Stop here. So you see HTTP something, localhost something. Copy the entire line. HTTP, yes. Copy everything. Yes. Down to 2B. So highlight it, yes, and copy, yes. No. You are copying 2.
Okay.
I need only the first one, yes. Copy that.
Okay.
Open your Chrome. Any of your browser, it could be Chrome, it could be Edge. So paste it here. And then hit enter. Let me see what happens. Yep, you are here. So that's what you have to do. I think Chrome is not your default browser. Open the Edge. Let me see. Microsoft Edge. Let me see what is happening there.
Yeah.
Click on it. Oh, okay, so then that's fine. Then so in your case, what you have to do is you have to be copying the link that you see there, like the first HTTP, and then put it in the browser and then run it. Okay, so you can have the interface we have. Okay. All right, so Mauli, we are good. All right.
No, I didn't get what you are saying.
I'm saying you are good now. So now anytime you want to run it, just copy the line I made you copy, right? And put it in the browser and then run it. You are going to see this. So now you follow the rest of the instructions. Okay. All right, you don't worry. We'll go over it again on Wednesday. So for now, your system works. All right, let's look at O'Neill.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Please, after running the command, it says file not found. I don't know if maybe you can go through with it. I've
Which
installed
file
it.
not found?
I don't know. I installed a Jupyter notebook, the Jupyter something. So after installing, I run the Jupyter notebook, but it's not working.
Did you when you were installing Python, did you add Python to path?
Yeah, I added it.
So okay, now open your command prompt. Share your screen. Let me see.
I'm using my.
Kobina and then Nanaba. Okay, I'll get to you soon. Okay, let me finish it though.
Please, can you see my screen well?
Very blurry. Can't see anything. Extremely blurry. I don't think I'm the only one. Can anyone else see his screen? I can't see anything at all. Very blurry.
You finish it. One of them. Come. Then we'll
I'll come around here. I just also son. If anything, all right. So Kobina, you are next. Kobina, can you hear me? I can't hear Kobina. Once we wait for Kobina, Nanaba, it's your turn.
Please. Yes, please.
Okay.
Please, I missed the processes for the Visual Studio, so I want you to help me with it.
Okay. So let me see your screen briefly. Kobina, I'll get back to you soon. Okay. Sorry about that. So, all right. So have you created a folder that you're going to be working from?
No.
So go to your desktop and minimize this. And then create a folder here.
These are
All right.
yeah.
So once you are done creating the folder, maximize your Visual Studio again. If the Visual Studio is going to be a problem, I'll just suggest you install Jupyter Notebook to save you all this trouble, honestly. Anyway, so now go to File. You see File up there, right? So go to Open Folder. File, Open Folder. Now choose the folder you just created on the desktop. Have you chosen the folder?
Yes, please.
So select it. It would open. So now everything you do will be saved within that folder. Now create a new file. It's trusted. Tick the trusted button and then allow it to have access to your folder.
They're asking me to select a file type.
Which file type? Where is it? That's it. So you go to Python. Go to Python. You see Python there. Python interpreter. Yes. Click on that one.
Okay.
So have you created a new file? Hello, Nanaba.
Yes, please.
So Nanaba, create a new file and then make sure the file extension is .ipynb.
Yes.
It's very Nanaba, network. Can I be heard? I can't hear Nanaba. Can I be heard?
File.
So create the file name and make sure
Hello.
that you add. Yes, I can hear you. Create the file and make sure you add .ipynb to it. It's very important. After writing the file name, you have to add .ipynb.
.ipynb
like that. I'll put
yes.
it in the chat for you.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. That's wrong. As .ipynb. Like this. Sorry. Yeah. This is the right one.
Yeah.
All right. So once you have done that, you run the file. You run that. So I think you are good. We'll look at it when we want to run the codes again on Wednesday. Okay. So Anaba, you should be fine, I think, for now. Obina, quickly.
Please, can I share my screen?
Kindly share it.
Please, my problem is with the installation. So when I got here, I encountered error. I don't know what I did.
I can't see your screen though. It's still loading, so let me. Yeah. No, you didn't do anything. Your internet just dropped. If you see red, it means your internet has dropped. Just run it again. Run the command again.
So I should just type.
Pip install Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter, that's all.
Oh, pip install. Jupyter Notebook.
No, just Jupyter. No. Sorry, just Jupyter. No notebook. Yes, hit enter. It should continue where it stopped. So it's the problem with your internet. If you have your VPN on, I would suggest you put your VPN off when you are doing this. It's faster without a VPN.
When I switch on my VPN that was when it stopped.
Yes, because that's the problem. Because you are switching it off and on, so it would stop, but then it would work.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
So you are good.
All right. Good. Thank you very
All right.
much.
You're welcome. All right. So, Mida.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm done installing the Jupyter notebook, but it doesn't show. It says it's not on path, and
Yes. So,
I'm
do you
trying
have
to.
Python installed?
Sorry?
Your Python is installed, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what I can do for you is you have to share your screen, and I'll just show you how to add Python to path, and Jupyter should work fine once you are done that.
Okay, sure. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Oh, you're using a MacBook. Well, then your
Yes.
problem is going to be a bit more. You are done installing Jupyter Notebook now, right?
Yeah, but this is what I get after that. But it says successfully installed.
Yes. You are done. Now
Yeah,
type
but
Jupyter
then,
Notebook. Let me see.
okay.
Yeah, within that same place. No.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, within the terminal, Jupyter Notebook.
Command not found.
Command not found. Let me see
Yeah.
how I can work it out. I can work around for the. Okay, do you know something? Close this and open it again. Close this and then open a new one, a new terminal. Just click at the terminal at the top. You see terminal here. Now type Jupyter Notebook quickly. Let me see if it's going to work. Notebook. Yep. Hit enter. Yes. So I would figure out how it works on MacBook and I'll
Mark.
share with you because I don't know why. Okay, I don't know
Okay.
why it's not working. You should probably have an issue with when you were installing Python, you didn't add to path. So you always have this challenge. I'll work on it and I'll let you know. I'll put it in the chat later on. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. And finally, who else do we have here?
Please, can I speak
Cornell.
now?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now the camera is okay, right?
Let me see.
So after running
Mida, you can kindly stop sharing, okay? Good. All right.
After running the Jupyter, right? This is what I
Yep.
see.
Could not be accessed.
Yeah.
No, wait. Okay, so close your. Where is the Jupyter running?
Here was the Jupyter.
Go down. Let me see at the bottom. What line is that? Your Jupyter has stopped running, right? So
Yeah,
just run it again. See something.
All
So
right.
you
So
here close it. Yep.
So this one is a new command prompt.
Yep. Jupyter Notebook.
Interesting.
So see what just came.
Could not find access. Okay. So we'll probably have administrative issues. So go back to the command prompt and copy the HTTPS. You see HTTPS something?
Yeah.
Yes, copy the first one.
This one, local hosts.
No. The one that is down here. After the or, copy, yes.
This one?
Yes, copy that one, yes.
Okay.
Copy it.
Okay, I've copied it.
And then paste it in the browser and run it. Let me see what happens.
Coming.
Where did you paste it? Is it at the top or the search?
The search.
Okay. Why search? Let me see what
Here.
is happening. Yeah, so
Okay,
you are
okay.
good.
It's right now.
So
Okay, all right.
in your case, the issue is that you have administrative issues. So what you have to do
Right.
now is anytime you want to run it, you just copy the link like I showed you and paste it in the browser and then run it. Okay.
All right. All right. So
All
from
right.
here, just create a new folder, then name it like the way we.
Yes, name it what you want to do and then create a new file and then you are good to go.
All right. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, awesome.
That is all.
So are there any other questions before I end it for the day? You're good. I think we are good. So Kobina, okay. Kobina, let's listen to you. All right. So in absence of any further issues, I'll bring the
I
class
think I
to an
didn't
end
get
today.
the way to finish.
Come again?
I didn't get to the end of how you have done everything.
Don't worry. That's what I'm saying. In the next class, you're going to create files again, so you don't have to worry. All right. So we'll do it again. Don't worry, on Wednesday. All right. So in the absence of any other installation challenges, because I believe we've all done the installations, I'll bring the class to a halt and then we will resume on Wednesday, same time. And for that, we'll stay within 2 hours, not beyond that, like we did today. So thank you all for your patience, and then I hope to see you on Wednesday. Okay, bye-bye. All right, Irene, God bless. I'm done for today, so I'll hand it over to you, and then you can end the rooms. Okay.
Yeah, you've done very well. You've done a great job. It's not easy. It's not easy. We
I
thank
am
you
glad
very
for your
much.
support. So I hope that subsequently we will see how we can address the issue of number of participants being exceeding the limit or something.
I think the entire limit is 100. And
Whoa.
there was 2 lessons going on, the Stata and Python. But I guess a lot of people wanted to join the Python, but Stata 2 has taken part of the numbers.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the reason. So if left with Python alone, at least we would have gotten all the numbers we want.
Is it possible we can switch to a different meeting room system where we can have, because on the page you have about 170 people. So if you can only take 100, then it means that some people may not be able to join. I don't
So
know.
some people they, as you were even having Python, some had moved to ML, machine learning.
Oh, okay.
So though they are 170, 140 something, some are in 2 or 3 sections.
Oh, okay. That's fine then.
Some are in 2 or 3 sections.
Okay.
But I hope going forward, and probably maybe we have to restructure it and see the sections that people are really, really interested, so that we can probably, maybe it will be held on one day, maybe Python, maybe on Thursdays alone, it's only Python that will be held, or maybe Wednesday only Python. We will see how we will arrange those ones.
All right. I'll leave it in your capable hands.
Oh,
because we had over 60 people in Python. I'm of the view many more had wanted to join as well. So
yeah. There were a lot of people who couldn't enter the main page. The Zoom and Casa, they couldn't enter Zoom. Yeah. If they had come, the other one, I could have added them easily, but they couldn't come.
Okay.
They couldn't
All
come.
right. So then, like I said, I'll leave it in your capable hands, and you guys should figure out how to work this out. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I had wanted us to have some backstage chat, but a lot of people are still here. Please, we are done. Or those who are here, you can leave, so that it will be left with only.
We can leave the breakout room and go to the main,
the main
page, and then you can end the breakout room.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, I have to stop the recording. I've even forgotten.